Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Make sure to share these lives and see if we can catch a nice trade. Yesterday was tricky. Um, could be the same today ahead of the FOMC meeting when they're saying they're going to cut rates. We'll see. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Good morning, D. Sean. Good morning. What's up, Ryan? He says 1:30 a.m. in Australia. Jeez, you are dedicated. I just don't see upside again today. And it's not that I have a bias. I just don't see. All right, we could watch that. This level here. You all see this? Let me fix it for TikTok. This zone here, this demand we have. We can watch this. We have a few things going for us there. It looks decent, but we have been ranging. You can, if you just zoom out on the 5 minute and you look back till Monday, we've been in this range. So. Appreciate that, Ryan. What's up, Jonathan? You all don't have to trade today. We do have FOMC. Just hang out, ask questions. We'll see if we can catch a trade. Definitely wouldn't put on too much size this morning. But again, 3 to 5 MNQ is okay. We can manage that easily. You all see the little post I put out on Instagram about the position size yesterday on my story, and then the Bears Den channel. Hopefully that puts it into perspective for you all. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. But it's almost time to start. Hopefully you got your coffee in hand, ready to trade this morning, and ask some good questions. Let's no reason we can't discuss some good topics this morning. We got plenty of time. I know you, Jackson. You like your energy drinks. I like them too. I just prefer coffee every morning. Also, I had my pre-workout before going to the gym this morning, so I've already got some caffeine flowing. Still doing the discipline challenge, everyone. Following it with you all. I haven't even had a drink of alcohol since we started it. Nothing. I've been dialed in. Which I don't drink that often anyways. Let me ask you a weird question. TikTok, YouTube, do you prefer trading with me where you can just see my charts? Or does like actually seeing me while we trade and the charts something you prefer? I just, to me, I don't like looking at people while I'm trading, so I'm just wondering. chart is better. I agree, V-Man. Good morning. I hear my dog being suspicious in the living room. Let me check on him real quick. Just as I suspected, he was trying to get into the Christmas tree, chew on a couple of things. Good morning. Let's do
All right,
this.
guys, trade smart, trade safe. Remember to choose discipline over dopamine today. Stay focused on the process. Stay focused on your.
What's up? All right, let's do this, my friends. See if we can make some money, or at least build some discipline. Welcome in. Everyone's still joining. We're in no rush to catch a trade this morning. The only bounce area I like is this area here. You can see Grizzology has the levels already marked out for us, has a zone created for us, taking some of a workload, but this area I'm watching for a bounce. Other than that, I'm going to wait on the first 15 minutes unless we just see something we like as a group here.
We will trade smart. We will trade safe. We will stay patient. And we will not.
Good Lord. I got travel coming up, everyone. I gotta head to Florida for a bit. But I plan on trading every day. I'm gonna take my mobile set up. Should be just a short trip. Worst case, I have to miss like one day of trading. The zone, Team Bull, the zone I'm watching for a bounce, it starts at 25,586 is the top of the zone. And it goes down to 25,560. That's the hourly demand I'm watching.
Watching now the SWIP.
Good morning.
I had the best steak last night.
Where from?
My house.
Okay.
Just made it. Whipped it up on the cast iron.
Nice.
I honestly like my cast iron steaks more than I like my grill.
What kind of grill do you have?
Thank
Is
you,
it
long guys. Thank you, longs.
Greg's and the longs.
Yep.
Rhodes.
And 3624.
Greg took longs at 624. I'm not taking it and being patient, but if you all want to, trade with them. Jaden, I think you like the Blackstone grills. I don't know what kind you have.
I like Blackstones. I'm just, I think it was for like smoky stuff. Some people like the Blackstones for steaks, though. I guess I've never tried it, so I wouldn't have a full opinion.
Yeah, I like steaks on mine.
Pellet grill would be cool.
I was about.
Greg stopped out if anybody took that with him. Oh. Just being patient. No trade for me yet. Yeah, Bill, I'm gonna trade about 3 to 5 MNQ. Same as we always do, you know. Because yesterday, even with their two, you know, whatever they was, small losses, your loss, your overall total loss should have still been like 400 or less. The way we managed our trades with 2 losses, which is very good, you know. Your funded account should be good to go still. The day before was good. All right, we're touching my demand, everyone. I can't take it off this candle. We'll have to wait on the next, but we're in the area I was looking for a bounce. If we close above 560, this bounce area is invalid.
Guys, the next I'm watching is 522.
Nice, Chris. Hope you make a bag, man. You're already up nice.
There we go.
Welcome in, everyone. Everyone joining a little late this morning. That's okay. We're in no rush. Let's run up the likes and thumbs up. It's been a while since I asked for that, but let's do it. I'll answer any question you all may have. I think the data may be coming into TradingView wrong. Well, definitely not waiting on us to bounce. Oh, Brian, that's good. I mean, however many, just you feel like giving me, I guess, the likes. I appreciate it, though. It doesn't go unnoticed. The good thing about on TikTok, the likes, like, the more likes, it brings people in, you know, more viewers. Jesus.
Swiffer sweep right there.
Man, it's not even going to give us this candle. I just wanted to see it close this candle, possibly take these longs off the next, but
Swiffer sweeper. That's what we call that, baby.
that's where I wanted to push down to yesterday. That same area.
Wow. That's the Swiffer sweeper right there. We see London low, yep. Got a little super pre-market low, and then it's ripped.
Man, what is this? That's quite a bit of risk here. We can't really take a trade off this. What are we thinking here? Let's talk about it. What would be a good entry for us if we're trying to get in these longs? This candle may have more volume than the opening. It's going to be close. What makes me want longs? We pushed into demand, but most of the bounce has already happened. That's why we're discussing it, trying to decide what's the best move here. If you're new to my stream, it's a little bit different than others. We talk things through a lot more on here. It's more of a group effort, you know. Well, it moved too quick for me to get in. I liked your ideals of that 607 area, but it just wicked down so quickly. Appreciate that, Bill. Steen Bean, I appreciate you for being here.
Yeah, because that candle looks good, but too much wick.
Man, I was gonna take a long entry at 607. It wicked down too quickly for me. I didn't get in. Just missed my entry down there on this candle.
Now whisper for you.
You all have any questions for me? Oh, sorry about that. I don't know how that got put up there. TikTok. Did I master trading yet? Some days I think I have. Other days I think the market's crazy and does what it wants to. No, I'm playing. But for real, I think we all think that sometimes. We do okay on here, I would say. What's up, Kurt? How you doing? Appreciate that, Brian.
The trade I was looking for. This was the quick kill me.
I'll be live for FOMC. If I'm around, I'll hop on with you all. I've got to do a little shopping today. Got to get some clothes. Mine are been well used. It's just time for some new things. How's everyone's morning so far?
NQ long, guys. NQ longs again. Testing.
Greg said he's trying to NQ longs again here.
641.
If anybody wants to trade with him, I'm not taking it, but
21.
if you want to take it with him, he did get stopped out of the first one. Just a heads up, but you know, Greg's a good trader. Am I a swing trader or a scalper? I like swing trading when I get the opportunity, when we have a good setup. We do it all, basically. Futures trading, swing trading, long term. We talk about a little bit of everything, I guess.
All right. We are 15 minutes in. Our 15-minute range is in. Now we look to get down to business.
Too close to Christmas to buy new clothes, drop hints, not money.
Let's scoop down trading. That's the new theme song.
I don't think.
The DoD.
Solo. Midman, can you share the email for Team Bull with Solo? That is sorry about that. That is not good at all. I apologize for that. See if we can't get it right for you, okay? Think swing trading is better than scalping? I would agree if we can, definitely got more time for it to work in your favor. But we do love day trading. Zoom link is still there. I'm looking at it right now. Inside Team Bull. Yeah. I bought some Netflix yesterday. Inside Team Bull, 95.5 is where I started my position. $95.50 per share. This is a longer term play. I'll add more as we go down. I'm averaging into this. Yeah, Zoom for members, yes. You taking a trade yet, Jadon?
Nope.
I am on the longs.
No trades. No trades for me. No trades for me. Just trade smart, trade safe.
Runners to oil, profit guys.
Nice trade, Greg.
One green, one red. Thank you. I've chance to another one.
It's 5 a.m. listening to house music, getting it done.
What y'all think about FOMC today? They're gonna cut rates. I know they're projecting 0.25, but I read something where they said 0.5 is possible. I don't see it, but you think, Bill?
No.
Bill says
I'm not
0.5.
trading
It
here.
could be.
Let's see how this 5-minute on SPY. 15. I'm not the biggest ES SPY orb fan. I find it works a little better on the NASDAQ and QQQ. Tesla's having a tough day so far. No trades on Tesla, no setups on NVIDIA yet.
I thought about trying some longs a little lower down around that point of control. Appreciate you all for showing up this morning, and definitely for those still following our discipline challenge, stick with it. I'm telling you all, just make it through this first month with me, at least. Before you know it, if you just stay locked in, the 6 months will fly by. And I promise you, if you follow it, you'll be ahead. Probably by years. Just 6 months of locking in can change a lot for you. Nice, boss DJ. What do I think about bot trading? I mean, it's solid. I mean, it works when it works until you have some random crazy news come in while you're in a trade. I created a bunch of strategies. Well, not a bunch. I created some solid strategies that could be automated, and I opened it up to the public. But honestly, just had a lot of people come in that didn't understand it and just got overwhelmed. I made it private, that part of it. That's why right now Grisology is the only thing I offer, my indicator. So now that group is private. Those that got in are in, you know. Yeah, you can still get into Grisology. Yeah, this is my indicator. If you do try it, make sure you use code NQ though. It will give you 50% off the first month. I'm not in a trade. I'm watching. The candle here look like a reversal candle. This wasn't a crazy amount of volume. Yeah, I recommend if anybody on here ever decides to like create a bot that's profitable and sell it or strategies, just be prepared for a lot of customer service because it is, you know, a little more complicated, especially coming from beginner standpoint. I can understand. I'm not judging. I'm just saying. Indicators are much more, you know, beginner friendly, but they can benefit you at any level. So. 5 macros. Typically, Warrior, I just cut it in my position in half as I trim. I don't like to overcomplicate it. If you have 3, you can just trim 1 at a time. 5, you know, trim 2 to 3 first trim. I'm just watching. I haven't taken anything. I don't really have a good read here. No trades for me
Dad
yet.
jokes, so I got all the dad jokes, baby. Holy moly, okay, let's see if this gives us a confirmation candle. This could be good. A few more minutes on this 5-minute chart, but this could give us something.
What are you looking for here? You like longs or shorts better, Jaden?
If we confirm this candle, look for shorts, but this candle has 3.5 more minutes on it to close, so. I'm honestly not super
Morning, Wes.
to take anything on FOMC morning, but I will if we get a decent setup. Didn't see the volume confirmation that I wanted to see on that initial reject to the 15-minute high, but otherwise I likely would have tried shorts earlier.
Every 20 to 25 points you would trim. The first trim Warrior usually comes around that area. Ideally though, like when we get into a trade, I try to put a first trim around that 1-to-1 for us. That's why sometimes I miss entries because I'm trying to get us in the trade close to our stop loss as possible. That way we're not taking no massive point loss, you know. Just hang out here, DNTMI. I think Team Bull's Zooms are free on Fridays. I think Jaden's still doing it. I haven't, have to check. Thanks, Wes. I hope, the position size post I dropped helped a few of you out. Yeah, Bill.
This is can't short this candle if we close up here. Certainly not. That's it. Stock market Santa's about to make his way back. I'm telling you all that right now.
Are you still looking the shorts?
I'm not looking either way right now. You see something you like, you take it.
Because I'm looking this level again, 616. Taking the longs, guys. Thank you, longs. Again.
Greg back in the longs, everyone.
Thank
I
you,
still
longs.
haven't taken a trade.
622.
I don't see anything I
I
like.
actually may join you if we close this candle here and we pull back again. It's
So
low
far.
588, so yeah, I could rationalize some longs if we got a strong close here and a little pullback, and then just get to the 61.
I'm gonna have to mute. I gotta focus. I'm trying to get us a trade here. Trying to get us a nice trade here, my friends. I'm gonna try some longs around the 600. I'm watching. We may not get it, but well, technically this is the area. It's retracing. I'm not in. I'll tell you if I buy. Negative delta's picking up on this candle. I'm watching it. I'm watching. I'm not in. I'm not in the trade. I'm locked in here. I'm watching. 3 to 5 M and Q is all you need if we take a trade. Remember, let's do this right. No oversizing. Alright, I'm trying some longs. I tried longs.
Hey, guys. Thank you, longs again. Thank you, longs again.
We'll join the squad. Try a piece of longs at 6.
M and Q
Oh,
longs.
hold on. All right.
3 to 5 is all you need. Do not, if you
Oh,
trade with
hold
me,
on.
no heavier.
Oh,
I am 361.
here we go. Okay. I'm also attempting a piece of longs. And was fit.
Alright, I gotta mute. It's a tough price action here, everyone. Yes, I'm in longs. Did you not hear me, Mike? I was trying to be very clear when I was getting in. I said it 4 times exactly. M and Q. 640 is where I'll trim. You all can scalp if you'd like, but 640 is my trim area. See if I can get a word in here on Team Bull.
Hello.
640 is where I trim, everyone, not before.
That's what I'm looking to for 3 minutes.
I do have a hard stop in, guys, at 80. There we go. 88.
I bought some yesterday, Steve. I'm sure you've
We got
seen it.
some death candle. But the 5-minute chart looks good. Got this wick up, another wick up. If we close this candle strong up here, I will move my stops to like 603. You know, I'm gonna keep my stops the same.
Oh,
Actually.
Lord. Quit playing. Push up to her trim. What is this price action? This is not moving. Why didn't I fill my order? There we go. Trimmed. Jesus, my Tradeovate froze for a second. What was that about? Stops are moved to her entry, okay, everyone? Stops move to entry. So if this trade goes straight down, it's still a green trade for us. You all following? I'm trying to make myself as clear as possible for you all on here, so. Alright, I'm locked in here. I'm watching this. Moving my stop up to 630. In profits, okay? My next trim, if we don't hit my entry, well, my stop here, is going to be at this 15-minute high, 663.75, okay? Make sense? I appreciate you all. Nice trade. Good job managing that. We crush it together. Even when we have losing trades, we always manage our trade well together. And that's a win. But we're winning today, not losing, so.
Long market, I'm making money.
My next trim, everyone's going to be at 663, around that 15-minute high.
Yep. That was an area I wanted too. That 670 area. That's what we wanted to see.
Still in. Still in this trade. You know, actually, I'm going to move my stop down to this point of control. 622. I'm okay giving 8 more points away. Giving this trade a little bit of room here. A little bit of room to move. I want that 15-minute high for our next trim. Yeah, for real.
We'll take that.
Still in. Almost got me.
Very close.
I'm still in this, everyone. My stop is at point of control. 622. I'm holding. I want the top of this range, at least. If we hit 622, I will be out. Green trade regardless.
Yep, mine's at 18.
Come on.
Beautiful. We got leg day today too.
Leg day?
Yep.
I had leg day on Monday this week. I mixed it up.
I can get down with that. I can get down with changing up the routine a little bit.
I need to change. Gonna change a lot of things after the first. Oh, well, not after. I'm working on it now. New office setup, all that stuff.
For the new year?
Yeah, I think I may even try a new broker. Mix it up completely. Need
Okay,
something
guys, how you
different.
Done for today?
Yeah, I hit my mouse.
Have a good one, Greg.
Guys, take care, Bisley. Take care, Jacob. Take care, Kimbo family. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.
See ya.
All right, team. Well, let's do the games roll call. How'd y'all do today? You took that trade with us. How'd y'all do? How are we ending up on FOMC Day morning? How'd y'all all end up on this beautiful FOMC Day morning? How are we sitting off that trade? 1100, 250, 305, 450, 1100, 500, 120, 60, 495.
All right. Sorry about that. I'm focused here, everyone. If it got your stop down there, it's okay, everyone. We made some money. I still want this continuation. Greg is from Mexico. Good morning. Some of you all just joining. We already made some money. It was right at our stop loss. I don't blame you if you stopped out there. So, no hate from me if you did. The trick to these key levels is just putting the stop just right below them sometime. Even on them whole psych numbers, it's right on the other side. That I know it don't seem like it can make a difference, but sometimes it does. It'll push down right to it, then bounce. You know, if you got it right at it, it's going to snag it. Can I ask you all a question real quick for those using Tradovate? On this candle here, how far down did it push on Tradovate? What's the bottom of this candle wick here? Yeah, mine went lower than this TradingView chart did as well. weird. All right, everyone. If we break below this candle wick here, I'm out completely. All right, trade's over. I'm closing it here.
We are in Super Bowl mode this fine morning.
All right. See if we can find another setup here. One winning trade. It's so weird how Tradevate and TradingView have different. Like on the wick downs, they'll have, you know, it'll go further on Tradevate than it will TradingView a lot of times.
We got the Denver Broncos Super Bowl jacket on, 'cause that's where we're headed this year. You ready for that, Grizzly?
What is it?
For the Broncos to go to the Super Bowl?
I'm ready, man. I'll watch it. You know who else is gonna go to the Super Bowl? I just gotta win one more game.
I just realized guys, I got stopped on my run out of that train. Everybody. Super solid winner for the AM, baby. We'll take it. We'll take ourselves a nice dub on the day. FOMC, so we didn't really expect much. My expectations of FOMC days are very low, but I'm happy with how that turned out for us. Broncos versus Cowboys Super Bowl is crazy.
What we're looking for now, everyone? I'd like to catch another trade. I made some sushi money off that one. You should still be green on the week if you traded with me all week. Yesterday was red, but Monday we had 3 winning trades. And today we had 1. So 4 winning trades and 2 losses. Yeah, Wes, it has been some tough PA lately. Just not been ideal for us day traders. I expect after this month, though, it will get some normal, you know, the normal price action back. It's almost end of year. People, big dogs like we was talking about yesterday, big dogs start taking off. And of course, today FOMC is not helping any, anticipating the rate cuts. Me says, green week so far. That's awesome, me. I love seeing you win. Oh, wow. TikTok, you all crushed it. 8,100 likes on TikTok. Yeah, this market's nothing to play around with. It will teach you why people say the market's always right. Let's just let's take our small position sizes, manage our trades well, and let's get through December. Next year, let's capitalize. That's awesome, Travis. Hopefully you come hang out with us still. evals to give away today. I have some. I'm trying to get a few more because I want to do a bigger giveaway. It will be with Take Profit again. So if anybody needs a Take Profit account, go to grizzlytrades.com, use code Grizzly. The more I sell, the more free accounts I get to give away. Helps us both out, I guess, for those that use funded accounts. Thanks, Travis. See where, look at that. Look where we went to stop us out. Is that not crazy by how much it stopped us out before pushing on up? I guess we should have played this a little more defense here. About to sneeze. Hold on. Yeah, Austin, it should be the same. Go away, sneeze. Appreciate that, Thomas. 10K likes on TikTok. That's insane. Very similar price action to yesterday, right? Look at this volume. I don't know if you all can see it on my screen, but volume, the price is, kind of going up, but volume's going down as we climb. It's just going straight down slowly. So with this market, could slowly climb all day, but in a regular market, regular setup, I'd be looking for a push up into some supply when I see lowering volume like that for a possible short. We see anything else we like, Team Bull? Volume's going down. Anybody like anything? I was wanting to catch one more trade. It may not happen though. Nice, Nigel. Nigel been crushing it.
Don't.
Point of control is still the same spot, right at 622. We just keep wicking down, touching it, and closing above it.
Are you still in this trade, Grizzly?
No, I stopped out. It's a green trade, decent trade. It just literally stopped me out by like 3 points. I was pushing up. It stopped you out by 1 point. Not even 1 point. What's the? It's crazy. About 1 point. Just that one. We call it one winning trade, Nick. Rick had a couple nice, or one nice. He had a loss, one winning trade, and one loss. Then he took the trade right after I did the loans, which was winning.
My Broncos are going to the Super Bowl, baby. I'm telling y'all right now.
Welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow. I do go live every morning. A lot of people has already left because we've made it money. We're still looking for one more trade though, so go ahead and follow. Oh, so you don't miss out. I'm not sure if I'll be here for FOMC. I may. If I'm at home, I will. Like I said, I gotta go buy some clothes. It's hard for me to find clothes that fit because my chest is like the widest part of my body, and everything either like if it fits me around the chest, it looks like it's too big at the going down. You know, if that makes sense. Sucks trying to find anything that fits right. I see your arms are always too long. You know how it is in Jackson. Well, I don't think that we're gonna get another trade. If you all have any questions or topics you want to talk about, we can discuss them, go over them. We got some time for some educational stuff. Is it Danny? Danny says it's 90% off Apex accounts. I have not seen this yet, but I do believe Danny. So if they're having a sale like that, go to grizzlytrades.com, code Grizzly. If you want to try Apex, I'm gonna have to grab some at 90%. That's the time to buy for sure. 90% off. Do I have an opinion on Alpha Futures? No, I don't. I'm not affiliated with them. Not saying anything wrong with them. I'm just. Oh, maybe it's. I haven't confirmed they're 90% off right now. I'm just going by what Danny told me in chat here. But he has never led me wrong before, so. If Do I journal my trades? See, I'm still kind of old school, so I just write down my stuff still. But plenty of great journaling platforms out there for sure. Yes, you do need to journal your trades though. At least write down the mistakes you made, because if you don't write down your mistakes, chances are you're just going to continue to make them if you don't actually write them down and see what you're doing wrong and to see that you've done it wrong multiple times. Any more questions, Anna? So it's with Tradovate. Okay, appreciate that. So 150K through 300K only, $21.22 with code Grizzly. Thanks, man. With Tradovate. We can't get above VWAP and we can't get below point of control. What do we do? Yes, on Apex. I haven't looked. You'll have to read about the activation fee with the new sale. I'm not for sure. I'm streaming off my phone now, so can't really look for you all. See if I got the email. I'm not seeing anything else I like. We could, you could trade the range, yeah, Mark, but we don't want to get in the habits of taking too many trades. With the, not with A+ setups, Appreciate that. Let's take our one winning trade and let's come back in the morning, try it again. Sound good to you all? Everyone agree with that? All right.